Texas Roadhouse is here, and I'm so glad you guys are here. Chris and Joe, listen, you have something so special for July 4th. Y'all aren't usually open all day long.
No, usually typically we just open Monday through Thursday from 4 to close. So this Thursday we're actually going to open up for 4th of July for lunch. 10% of our proceeds will go back to the Wounded Warriors Foundation to help them build a memorial in, I believe, Kansas City. Is that right, Chris?
I believe 7,200 soldiers have died since the war started. So.
And that's in Afghanistan?
Yes.
Wow. Well, listen, you guys are committed, I know, to this community and to the Wounded Warrior Project. So tell us some things that we can expect to see at Texas Roadhouse July 4th.
Well, one of the great things is, you know, talk about our store, talking about our hand-cut steaks. We cut all of our steaks in-house.
Nice.
We are a scratch kitchen. We'll talk about a little bit of those right now. This is our bone-in ribeye that we carry. It's a 20 to 22 ounce bone-in ribeye, full of flavor, as you can see, the marbling throughout the steak.
Is that important? The more marbling?
If you like a lot of flavor,
okay,
it's perfect.
Okay.
To the left of that's going to be our filet that we carry. That's a 12 ounce filet, center cut.
Nice.
Absolutely. That's going to be the most tender steak that we carry. And one of the leanest as well.
How do you cook? Do you cook that? Can you cook a filet on the grill?
Absolutely.
I mean, you can. Okay.
Every day.
Every day.
Every day.
Every day. Well, what about you know, a ribeye? Everyone loves a ribeye. What's the secret to a good ribeye whenever you're grilling?
You know,
do you want to turn it over a lot?
You don't really. You want to let it cook. You really want to turn it over 3 times. And so, if you want to keep your temperature about 400 degrees, and then from there, you know, anything over 400 degrees, you can actually start burning off of your seasoning. So that's what we keep it 4 to 425.
Well, something that, Joe, that folks don't know, it is about the seasoning.
It is.
I mean, whatever you put on there. I've seen they put beer on their steaks. Is that okay?
You know, if that's what you feel like doing, you know, absolutely. For me personally, I like to keep it as simple as possible.
Okay.
Let the steak bring out the flavor, but yes, the beer is something unique.
That's
why we brought some. Absolutely.
I see some cute.
I like to wash my steak down with beer.
Sure. And you know, the corn and potatoes, that is a staple that everyone loves. Y'all have such great corn. What's a good secret to tell people?
A lot of garlic.
Really?
A lot of garlic.
Really? See how you just smothered the butter on there. How do y'all can you put butter in the microwave? Is that something to do at home?
We do as well. So that's how we melt ours down most of the time, through the microwave. Absolutely.
I think y'all have a little kind of sugary butter. What is that kind of butter at Texas?
Honey cinnamon butter.
Oh my gosh, it's so good. And those rolls.
Yes, we brought you some of that.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Now listen, we're gonna get down here in a minute. These steaks are so good, and we just want folks to know at home to be safe when they're grilling.
Absolutely. You know, that's the key. Like I said, you know, at the end of the day, you have all this pressure on the 4th of July. You want to go to the parade. You want to do the fireworks.
Right.
You know, that's why we're opening it up. We have a great partnership last year when we helped Jack Barnes and his organization. So, you know, we'd love to see the community come out and continue to support, you know, the fallen soldiers and the Wounded Warriors.
That is such a great idea.
For that cause. You
guys are committed. Listen, it is all July 4th. Tell us the hours again, and tell us how the money's going to go.
It's going to be 11 to 10, and then 10% of our proceeds from the whole day will go to the Fallen Warrior Project. And then we also have our early down menu. It has 10 items for $8.99 or less.
Wow.
And from
happy hour all day
11 to 6. So.
Texas Roadhouse. Listen, I love y'all, but I really love y'all. I think how fun is that going to be? Great food, July 4th, and helping out our community. You see right there. Chris and Joe, thanks so much for coming and sharing. And don't forget that watermelon. Boy, that is good. Y'all just make that look wonderful. You guys, thanks so much. Thanks for being committed to helping our Wounded Warriors and our folks here in the Amarillo area. I see you, High Plains Food Bank. I see you, MDA. You guys are so nice, and thanks for helping.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate y'all. Happy 4th of July.
You too. Thank you.
Okay.